Yeah, man. Some green papers there, going hand in hand with one thing I'll tell you, Ndori, I don't want a special recipe when it comes to cooking. Everybody can come up with their own recipes and you'll find it being perfect, even better than those who will tell you, but this is not how you cook, this is not how you do it. That's one thing I've learned as time goes. I've learned so many things about cooking, and then things that I've learned, I just teach myself. I just watch my grand cook. I've watched my mom cook. I've checked out my wife cooking. Okay, definitely, because I'm always there when she's cooking. Like, oh shit, this tastes good. So sometimes I eat almost the whole pot before she even finished cooking. Damn, just exposed myself. That's when she's cooking that hot body chicken. Yeah, man. So just cut. So I'm gonna be with you, Skali Batubahashu. I'll be back again, and we can just continue. So let me just go through some of this. Wow, I'm even learning how to cut fast. Yeah, that one there, man. Hey, so much water. So what I did with the pork head is like, yesterday I took it out of the fridge. What I do, that I marinate it into salt. Like I just put it inside the salt and leave it for the whole night, soaking there. So yeah, till then, I'll be back just now.